Dear children, yesterday I taught you lesson 4 लाइफ इन द रूरल एरियाज के बारे में पढ़ा रहे थे। महलवारी सेटलमेंट के बारे में बताना था। तो महलवारी सेटलमेंट क्या है इसके बारे में देखें। लिखा है द महलवारी सिस्टम वाज इंट्रोड्यूस इन वेस्टर्न यूपी, parts of Madhya Pradesh and Punjab where common ownership of land was the norm in groups of villages called the mahals or vaishara. Under this system, the settlement was made with the village communities themselves, and the payment of revenue was the collective responsibility of the peasants. The settlement was made with the talukadar or the head of mohal. He collected the revenue and handed it over to the British collectors. अब इफेक्ट ऑफ लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी में क्या इसका प्रभाव पड़ा था। The land was turned into the sellable में सेल्स बिक्री होगी community. Whenever a peasant or a landlord failed to pay his dues, he either mortgaged or sold this land. Second, payment of revenue in cash increased the importance of money. The cultivators began to borrow money at high rates of interest in order to pay their dues. It led to an increase in peasants' indebtedness, resulting in the evil system of beggar-bounded labor. पेजेंट्स इन डेप्ट माने ऋणी में होते ऋणी होते जा रहे, कर्जीले होते जा रहे थे। रिजल्टिंग द इविल सिस्टम, बुराइयों के कारण, बेगार के कारण ये लोग। थर्ड है मैनी लैंडलॉर्ड्स शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसिंग फूड क्रॉप टू कमर्शियल क्रॉप इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज देयर इनकम बट डिड नॉट बेनिफिट the cultivators. The new trend in cultivation made the rich the richer and the poor poorer, but it helped the Indian agriculture production by making it market oriented. Cash crop like cotton, jute, tea, coffee, etc. brought profits by way of export. The British took an initiative to improve agriculture or launch any irrigation project. As such, the productivity of the land was adversely affected. They also did not provide any drought relief measure. Famines became a regular feature which impoverished the peasantry. There was stagnation and an overall deterioration in agriculture and a drastic fall in the productivity of the land. It was the result of the Jimindari system, small and uneconomic land holding, lack of modern agriculture implements, lack of irrigation facilities, recurring famines, and the government apathy towards agriculture. Growth of commercial crop. During the 1830s, there was shift towards commercialization of the agriculture. Some European investors began to take interest in cultivation of commercial crops like indigo, jute, tea, coffee, poppy, cotton, sugar cane, oilseed and cinchona, as these cash crops would fetch them more money. These planters owned huge tracts of land called plantation agriculture developed at the fast pace. As a result, production of food crops suffered immensely. It created a scarcity of food grains which adversely affected the entire country. The factors which led to the commercialization of agriculture are as follow: industrialization revolution in England, plantation agriculture, rise of absentee landlord. इसके कारण ये व्यवस्था शुरू हुई। इतना आप पढ़ करके आइए, कल फिर हम आगे पढ़ाएंगे।